Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet keychain designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet keychain is a small decorative accessory made using crochet techniques, typically crafted with yarn or thread. These keychains can come in various shapes, such as animals, flowers, hearts, or other cute designs. They are often attached to metal key rings or chains, making them both practical and stylish. Crochet keychains are popular as handmade gifts, souvenirs, or personalized accessories. They can be made by beginners or experienced crocheters, depending on the complexity of the design. Common materials used include cotton yarn, embroidered thread, or small embellishments like beads or buttons. Here are some helpful tips for making crochet keychains. Choose the right yarn. Use cotton yarn or embroidered thread for small, travel keychains. Thinner yarn works best for detailed patterns. Hook size. Use a smaller hook size than recommended for the yarn to create tighter stitches, which helps the keychain hold its shape. Stuffing. If you are making plush designs like animals, use polyester fiber fill to stuff the keychain before closing it. Stitch selection. Basic stitches like single crochet and slip stitch are commonly used. Learn how to increase or decrease stitches to shape your designs. Secure the ends. Always weave in your yarn ends tightly to prevent the keychain from unraveling. Accessories. Add safety eyes, beads, or embroidery details to give your keychains a more personalized look. Attach keychain or lobster claws securely with a loop of yarn. Pattern choice. Start with simple designs like hearts, stars, or balls. If you are a beginner, move on to origami style animals as you gain confidence. Finishing touches. Use a small brush to clean up loose fibers and make your keychain look neat. Optionally, apply a little fiber stiffener if you want your design to hold its shape better. Here are some additional tips to make your crochet keychains look more professional and travel. Yarn quality. Use high quality cotton yarn or mechanized cotton for a smooth finish and longer lasting keychains. Avoid floppy or stretchy yarn as it loses shape over time. Tension control. Maintain consistent tension while crocheting to avoid uneven stitches. Practice before starting to ensure your stitches are not too loose or too tight. Invisible decreases. Use invisible decreases techniques for seamless shipping, especially on rounded designs. Color changes. When switching colors, always carry the yarn inside the work to avoid visible loose strands. Safety eyes fast embroidery. Use safety eyes for a professional look, but embroider the eyes if the keychain is meant for small children to avoid choking hazards. Stitch markers. Use a stitch marker to keep track of rounds, especially in origami designs. Seamless finish. Use the invisible fasten off technique to finish your work without a visible knot. Waterproof finish. Apply a thin layer of fabric glue or varnish to the keychain or protect it from dirt and moisture. Personalization. Add small details, charm, beads, or embroidered names to make custom keychains. Practical small projects. Start with tiny shapes like flowers, hearts, or smiley faces to build confidence. Crochet chain loops. Make a crocheted loop instead of a metal ring for a softer handmade feel. Packaging. If you are selling your keychains, add a small thank you tag or package them in cute pouches for a more professional touch. Use invisible joints. When finishing rounds, use the invisible joint methods instead of slip stitches to create a seamless edge. Blocking small parts. Gently block small pieces before assembly to make shapes like leaves or hearts more defined. Use a little steam or water spray for cotton yarn. Reinforce attachment points. Wrap yarn around the metal keyring multiple times and secure it tightly to prevent the keychain from coming loose. Glue or sew accessories. Use fabric glue or small stitches to attach embellishments like beads or small bows for extra durability. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!